Floor drain and beverage service. Floor drain and beverage service helps reduce foul odor and unsanitary conditions that contribute to insect infestation. It reduces the buildup that insects feed and breed on inside the drain lines, under equipment, and in cracks and crevices throughout the facility. Use BioStim DF Microbial drain foam in a dedicated foaming unit, like this one, for the floor drain and beverage service. A dedicated foamer is important because BioStim's microbial drain foam contains living microorganisms we call microbes, suspended in a foaming surfactant. Some chemicals and pesticides will kill these microbes. Insect growth regulators can be added to the drain foam to reduce drain fly infestations in floor drains without harming the beneficial microbes. The tools needed to perform floor and beverage service are BioStim's DF Microbial drain foam, water, a dedicated handheld foaming unit with a wand, a small putty knife, disposable towels, and a flashlight. BioStim's drain foam is highly concentrated and will need to be diluted at a rate of 4 to 8 ounces of drain foam concentrate to 1 gallon of tap water. Pour half a gallon of water into the unit. Add the drain foam and then add the remaining half gallon of water. Replace the top, then mix gently by swirling the foamer. To foam a floor or trough drain, use BioStim DF Microbial drain foam. The foam will start cleaning the drain instantly while the microbes attach to the grease and begin consuming the grease to prevent buildup inside the drain lines. Remove the cover from the floor drain. Using a putty knife, scrape any excess buildup from the drain, being careful not to drop the buildup you scraped off into the drain. Pump the foamer. Place the wand nozzle into the drain. Spray the foam into the drain in a circular motion until the foam fills the drain and all sides of the drain pipe are completely coated with foam. Replace the drain cover. As the foam dissipates, it will drip down the drain line, allowing the bacteria to reach the buildup further down the line. Let the drain sit unused for 10 minutes to allow the product to coat the walls of the pipe. Air gap drains should be sprayed with DF drain foam to fill the drain line and to coat the waste receptor walls and the grate. A trough drain should be sprayed with DF drain foam to coat the trough and the grate. Beverage service. Treating the beverage drain lines reduces sugar and yeast buildups that block these drain lines and provide a breeding ground for small flies that feed on the sugars and yeast. Lift the trays. Check the drain lines and clear any existing blockages before attempting to service the drain line. These blockages are sometimes called sugar snakes. Spray foam into the drain lines. Close the ice bin cover and avoid spraying foam on any beverage items or food contact surfaces. Check the beverage gun holsters. Holsters with organic buildup are a harborage for drain flies. Mention to the manager that holsters should be cleaned daily to prevent buildup. Remove the holster, then spray foam into the drain line. These drain lines can become blocked by the organic slime that builds up in them and are key areas where flies feed and breed. After foaming the drain line, clean the holster if necessary. Then replace the holster. Check lower cabinets in beverage areas for drain lines and sanitation issues that are fly harborages. Spray foam into the drain lines and inform the manager of any sanitation issues you find. Other possible service areas. Look for other areas that can benefit from BioStim's microbial drain foam. Ice machine drains, ice cream machine drain, and other drain lines that build up with organic slime can be sprayed with foam to prevent buildup and blockages and drain fly infestations. A spot treatment may also be needed under these machines. Check under equipment for greasy buildup. Spray foam as a spot treatment under the equipment to reduce the grease that can cause foul odor and be a harborage for flies to feed and breed on. Look for areas that have evidence of small flies, and with sanitation issues like broken tile, missing baseboards, and other spots with grease buildup. Spot treat the buildup by spraying with foam. Be mindful of safety issues. Do not spray foam on food preparation or serving surfaces. Use caution when spraying with DF drain foam. The foam can be slippery when sprayed, so avoid spraying on walkways.